What's up, everyone? JB's Universe here. Today it's time. Part 3 of Pokemon Golden. Now we left off where Quilava evolved into Typhlosion. Gold got a girlfriend, and then it didn't work really well because she ended up betraying the hell out of him, and then they got into a big ass fight. My bad, Mr. Robinson. And then Typhlosion, he wasn't having none of that. He didn't like her for real. He thought she was a hoe. But yeah, you should see it. But Gold was like, it doesn't have to be this way. And Typhlosion got his Uzis and said, Iron Blade. And then they went off to face Team Rocket, met off with Lance. So let's see where we left off. 3, 2, 1, clickety clack. Well, I can't say that.
Previously on Pokemon Goldberg, Team Rocket was making mind control happen on the Lake's Pokemons that was supposed to make them evolve or some bullshit.
Hey, Gold. I done heard there's a buttload of Dunsparce fucking in a cave. I don't care,
what?
Anthony.
Thanks for your help, trainer. Here, take this useless HM you'll never use.
Fuck you, Lance.
I know our paths shall cross again.
Right, I still got dice, dude.
Gold! The radio tower's in trouble, and only you can fix it and save all of mankind.
Please help! We have a rocket infestation!
Oh, God damn it.
Oh, you thought you came here to rescue the radio director, but he's actually locked in the basement downstairs, and only I have the key card to get in.
Did he piss himself?
I followed you down here, cockface. All the other times you beat me were a fluke. Now, I'll beat you. Then, I'll take down Team Rocket myself.
Yeah, fine, whatever, let's do this.
Oh, shit! That dragon fucker told me I was an asshole. Maybe he was right.
I know you came down here for me, but here, rescue this card key instead.
Thunder Punch!
Whoa, you can learn electric-type moves?
We intend to use this radio tower to announce our comeback, so Giovanni will return to us.
That's the stupidest bad guy motivation I've ever heard. Thank you so much for saving us. Here, take this gay-looking feather. So we just gotta go through this cave, right? It's another Dracula!
Hi. My name's Claire, and I'm not your average girl.
Smash.
You'll never defeat me.
Okay, give me your badge.
First, you must complete that which has never been completed before.
Ah, what the hell? There, okay, that was literally the easiest thing ever. I'm telling Lance on you. Hey, it's that thing from the box art. Fuck, I forgot to save.
Kanto time!
Bastards.
So you're gonna take on the Pokemon League? Ha! A weak bitch like you couldn't even take on the Toilet League. My Pokemon are unbeatable now. Prepare to get sent to another dimension.
Oh no. Super Saiyan.
I hate losing, like winning hates me.
What's the matter, trainer?
Welcome to the power. If you get defeated, you'd start all the way from the beginning.
At last, trainer, we meet again.
I'm ending your cocky ass here.
I always knew you'd make it this far. Now I, Lance the Dragon Master, shall test your strength with the full power of my Dragon Pokemon.
These aren't even dragon types.
Tell that to my 3 inappropriately leveled Dragonites.
Fuck. still alive.
You don't get to be champion of the Pokemon League without knowing how to spam full restores.
Oh.
Damn.
Your sheer willpower and strength have caused my Dragonites to explode.
Jesus H.
I hereby name you the new Pokemon League champion.
Gold, you did it? Shut up.
Morning, what? Hey, he's not lying.
How is she?
Yeah, she'll be fine. She just got a sprained ankle.
Will you play hide and seek with me?
No, fuck off.
I killed punks like you during the war.
What war? Vietnam? Because I was there too.
I saw you in a vision because I'm psychic.
That's that one Johto boy. Done won himself the Pokemon League.
Listen, he don't look so tough. Let's get him.
Oh no! Free don't hurt me. I never hit, idiot. Bye-bye, go-go. Hey, kid.
This Chinese guy sounds like someone that starts with an M. And I'm pretty sure all you know who I'm talking about.
Me, I'm a Team Rocket member kind of guy.
Oh, damn it. Is the Wi-Fi off? Oh, yeah. Hold on, guys. I gotta reconnect the Wi-Fi. Let's see. We gotta reconnect the Wi-Fi. We're going on a field trip, everyone. Yes, I know, in the middle of a video, but still, the Wi-Fi is out, and we can't finish the video without it. Alright, guys, we're back. Click, we are back. Jeremiah, I'm trying to record.
My bad, JB. My bad. I was trying to tell you. Sir? You want to throw Jason in?
No.
You don't have to.
Come from another country. A trainer number one, me. You're all fresh. Oh no.
This is stupid.
If you could beat 6 of us, you'll win a fabulous prize.
Oh, were you guys in the middle of a blowj?
Ugh, you're a pest.
Well. Looks like we got us a live one here, boys. We don't take very kindly to you Johto folks. Is this yours?
Thou art
Smash.
No, I take it for my glaucoma.
Why am I even doing this?
You best turn around, boy.
Pancho's gonna eat you alive.
Hey there, boy. Like what you see? My poison brings all the boys to the yard.
Why? Can sins really be forgiven? Yeah, the first game was better. Fat bastard. Move!
My dick is Brock hard.
Whoa!
Maybe I should try loving my Pokemon, like my father never did for me. Well, I used to spell red later, but I'm gonna spell you right now.
Well, I'm homeless now. Better have a burn heal.
You think you got what it takes to beat me, Johto boy? This is worse than that time Red killed my Raticate.
Damn.
Oh, the game's not over? You should try taking on Mount Silver. Sometimes I think my son is dead.
Yeah, don't tell me. Everything I've done up until now has been nothing but your sloppy seconds. Don't ... me.
Pikachu. Wi-Fi.
There's no way.
You have to keep cold.
You don't get to be champion of the Pokemon League without knowing how to spam full restores.
That's right. Hey, Dick. I'm more than just your sequel.
Yeah, there were a few Super Saiyan effects in this.
Alright, let me see. Who is it? Broly?
You should call your mom sometime.
I'll show you after my recording. Oh wow, he just teleported? Alright, well that was it. Well guys, thank you for watching this entire series with me. It was only 2 parts, I know, yeah. And yes, there were a few interruptions, background noises, and talking. But don't worry, we made it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, comment if you want to. Comment what games you guys want me to play and what you want me to draw. And I'll see you in the next video. JB Xenoverse, signing out.